The way that I got good at copywriting is as follows. Number one, I read and acted upon hands-on experience letter from Gary Halbert. Okay, you can go search it up yourself. It's on the GaryHalbertNewsletter.com, I think is what it is. And that letter, you read it, it'll tell you what Gary Halbert himself would do if he was learning copywriting. The Prince of Print himself, who I think is one of the greatest copywriters ever. Step number two is to get a mentor. Copywriting is one of those things where, because it's such like a creative act, like actually writing copy, writing anything is a creative endeavor. It can be very difficult to get legitimate feedback from people unless they have a shitload of results under their belt. So for this, you're gonna probably have to pay people, which is okay, but pay people that are actually in the fucking field, in the trenches. One of my favorite copywriting mentors that I've had in my journey was the copy chief for one of the fastest growing e-commerce brands at that time in the health and beauty. So I knew that she was actually spending her time writing copy every single day, chiefing copy every single day for an offer that I knew the numbers on. So that would be step number two. And the step number three is 4 hours of copywriting deep work daily for multiple years. And this is the way you're going to structure it. All right. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to read copy. You're just going to read it because since it's a creative act, you do kind of have to warm up your brain, warm up your mind, warm up your copy chops, as I call them. The second thing you're going to do is going to be something called copy working. Copy working is one thing that Gary Halbert is going to teach you inside of that hands-on experience letter. Copy working is literally rewriting successful high-performing sales letters by hand. That is pen and paper. That's not typing. That is taking a pen, a real sheet of paper, and writing every single word of every single sales letter on that list. That takes some time. Like your hand muscles and your forearm will get trained. You are training muscles because that's how much writing is fucking involved. Like this kind of thing where you're writing. You got to shake out your fucking hand because you've been writing for so long, so intensely. The third thing that you're going to do is to actually write the copy, which means really research. That part you can do with AI. Research, brief your copy, write it, and then chief it yourself. And again, all this will make more sense when you read that letter. And then fourth, and the most important piece is to get feedback. Have a very, very fast feedback loop. You should be getting feedback every single day on the copywriting, ideally. The faster that you can make that feedback loop, the better. A lot of you guys are like, how can I get freakishly good at copywriting really fast? You need to have an insanely short feedback loop from somebody that's 10 times as good. That's the honest answer. And to get those copywriting coaches, you're probably gonna have to pay some money. I would not recommend joining like a copywriting. I guess it depends. There's a few decent ones out there, I guess. I know I think one dude that's like a legitimately good, he's actually a fantastic copywriter. And I think he has an offer where he teaches people, but he's not a well-known dude. It's like, if you know the dude, you know he's legit. If you don't know the dude, you have no idea. So that's going to be that second reinforcement step there. So again, the 4 hours of deep work, I would do this for like, say 20 minutes, copy working, do this for like 30. And then writing is going to be the entire rest, which is basically like 3 hours of that 4 hour deep work session. And then after you've done that, writing, research, brief, write, chief, everything, then you got to go get it reviewed. You're just going to put in so much fucking work. This is basically what I would do if AI copy never became a thing. This is what I was doing every single day. I would wake up, I would prime my brain with the reading copy and copy working. And then I would legitimately write, which is challenging. Legitimately writing for multiple hours in a row. Oftentimes I'd split up the 4 hours of deep work into like 2 hour sections. So the first, I would basically cut each of these in half. And then I only have to write for like 90 minutes, which is a little bit easier. And then writing the highest quality copy that you absolutely can, sending that to a mentor rips it to fucking shreds. And then you repeat that cycle every single day. That is legitimately how you get really good at copywriting. It's not from reading books. The books can help, but they're only going to get you so far. You got to fucking do it yourself. And that's the beautiful part. Now, there are some really good books too. In fact, there's only one training that Gary Halbert has ever recommended that people use to learn copywriting outside of his own material. And he never created a course or anything. He had his newsletters, which is like an amalgamation of a bunch of different course related content. And it was sent as a physical newsletter. But the only thing was this guy, Scott Gaines, called Shortcut Copywriting. And I think you guys can find it somewhere online. It's the only one that he officially endorsed because this guy Scott was his protege. So he basically taught him everything. He had him go through the hands-on experience letter. Holy shit, I'm giving you guys so much value right now. This is actually crazy. It is actually crazy. If anybody just listens to that and actually does it and you take it seriously, you will be a fucking savage. The thing is, I did this for multiple years. I did this for at least 2 years, like the 4 hour deep work every single day for copy, getting it reviewed, all the shit. I went through multiple copywriting mentors too. But for like the one person that is listening to my voice right now and actually decides to act on this, you're going to have one of the most lethal skill sets. I used to think like direct response copy is going to become a commodity because AI is commoditizing everything. But the more that I see these AI tools develop, they're pushing out so much stuff that is aesthetically pleasing, so much shit that just looks good. And I know just not going to convert nearly as well is something that I was able to achieve because I've actually put in the work. Like I started to get good at copy before ChatGPT was ever introduced. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this content and you want a little bit more guidance to help you through each of these steps in even more depth, I do have a mentorship program called Brand Builders Academy. If you want to join, you can always fill out an application with the link in the description of this video. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.